Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia here with another video. If you are new to my channel, hi and welcome. I am your girl Felicia, and here we do subscription box unboxings. I do product reviews, hair and beauty, and I dabble in fashion here and there. And guess what came in my mailbox today, y'all? That's right, my Boxycharm. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I did not open my Boxycharm. It is sealed because I decided that I wanted to be surprised just like y'all did. So I got it, did something with this face real quick, and let's get into it. So I'm about to open it up. Oh, Lord, child. I'm about to open it up real quick. And let's see. So this is what it is looking like on the inside. That's kind of cute. Look at that. Okay, Boxycharm. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, they are a monthly subscription service. For $25 a month, you get 5 full-size products. So let's see. This month, oh, I got 2 cards. So it looks like I have the box variation 60, and it says the theme is Candy Shop. It says save the date, enjoy exclusive. Okay, that's something different. But it is Candy Shop this month. So let's go ahead and see what I got. So I have the Siete. I can never pronounce this. Siete. The Siete. I can never pronounce it. But it is the Siete, the editor palette. I like this box. I like this packaging. So let's see what we have in here. This is retailing at $32. Now I told y'all $25 was this. Ooh, it's a heart. Oh, so this is the outside packaging. I really like this. It is the Siete London New England editor palette. Okay. Oh, yeah. Now, this, I will use this. This is right up my alley because y'all know I say it all the time. I like a lot of neutral tones. We have some color, but it's not too much color. So I'm going to put that up close so y'all can see it. This is right up my alley. Like colors like this and that and this, and I'll dibble with that. Yeah, I'll play with this one for sure. So I'm liking that. Okay. I got all this little powder. So next we have the Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. And this is $60. Okay. It says illuminate the complexion, achieve a lit from within glow with Soft Focus Glow Drops. This skincare makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. So something like this, and this is what it's looking like. Oh, I love this packaging. That is pretty. Something like this, if you wear a liquid foundation, you can add a few drops to this to your foundation, and it'll help to give you a glow with your foundation. Something like this, I probably would definitely use a lot during the winter months because you don't get that suntan. You don't have that tan depending on where you're at. You don't really get that tan or that sun glow that you want. So this will kind of help you with that radiant, glowy skin even in the winter months. So I can't wait to try that. Next, I have Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kisses Tinted Lip Butter. And this is $20. They did good. Boxycharm did good. All the packaging has been just gorgeous. Look at this. Look at that. I love a rose gold. Yes, see, this is the feminine side of me. love stuff like this. Oh my God. And so is this the color? So it's like a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicate blend of capucho butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony and soft. It smells good. And super conditioning for lip loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. I'm going to tell you now, it does smell really good. So it's, I guess this is like a lip butter or whatever, but it's tinted. So it feels good. It doesn't really have color, but it feels really good. And it don't have a shine. I would definitely use this going in my purse, because this would be a great lip moisturizer while you out and about. And it's so cute. Look at that. That is just so cute to just pull out and just stunt in front. So I love that. Next, we have the Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. This is $28. This cheek trio has all your angles covered. This high quality silky formation ensures the high points of your cheeks are evenly highlighted, the hollows perfectly chiseled, and the apples of your cheeks subtly flushed with a universal peach. Another super cute. They are killing with the packaging. Another super cute packaging. Look at that. It's like a marble packaging. This is, like, even if you ain't use these products, you could put this on your vanity and it'll have a whole little aesthetic going. So I love that. This is really cute. And let's see what this trio is looking like. Okay, so I guess I could work with this, because I don't like a lot of color. Like, I don't like red or super pink blushes. So I could definitely work with these nice ones. This almost looks like it's a bronzer or something like that. But I really like this for the simple fact that, like, today, this I have on bronzer. I don't have, like, I do have a little blush, but the blush is like a really translucent blush. But just to give some type of definition to the face, this would be great for that. You do a little bit of this and that, and you have a straight face. Or you could do this alone. But these two, I would dabble in a lot. So I really like this. Another win so far. I am happy. And this last one is the Ace Beauty Draw It Up Liner. Again, look at that. Another cute packaging. This is $16. It is a lip liner duo. The Draw It Up lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner's tip. Oh, so it's two. Because I'm like, wait a minute. Okay, so you have two lip liners. Looks like I have, they don't do it on here. It looks like a red and like a tan or neutral color. Trying to see if it said on here. Nope, it just said lip liner duo set. So let's see. And it said it has a sharpener, but oh, is this the sharpener? So I guess this is, because I just pulled it out. So I'm guessing this is the sharpener, child. That ain't, I don't even know how to get y'all to see that. This ain't gonna sharpen nothing, but that's fine. So let's see what we have. Ooh, this is nice and soft. This would definitely be like you could definitely play this like a liner. Ooh, yeah, buddy. You can definitely play this like a liner or a lip color. Uh-oh. Now, what I don't like is that it don't retract. It would be nice if this was retractable, but those are the two colors. You have a mauve and a red, two of my, yes. I like this. I like it. I like it a lot. And so that is it. That is everything that I got in my October Boxycharm. Y'all stepped it up. Boxycharm, keep it coming like this, and your girl is sold. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. If you made it here, if you got to this point in the video, that means you liked something. You enjoyed it. You liked it all. And I do my videos like this all the time. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.